Welcome to Bizworld. I'm Adrian Seet. Amanah Saham Nasional Berhad (ASNB) declared a total income distribution of 5.25 sen a unit for Amanah Saham Bumiputra (ASB) for the financial year ending December 31st, 2023. The figure shows an improvement from last year's 4.6%. This consists of an income distribution of 4.25 sen a unit and a bonus of 1 sen a unit. A total of 10.8 million ASB unit holders will benefit from the total payout, amounting to 9.3 billion ringgit. This year's dividend also outperforms the benchmark of Maybank's 12-month fixed deposit rate that recorded an average rate of 2.85% during the year. Public Investment Bank has maintained a neutral call on the oil and gas sector, citing ongoing OPEC Plus intervention through production cuts to support oil prices and market balance. Brent crude oil prices throughout the year hovered between $70 to $90 per barrel. This is due to additional voluntary production cuts led by OPEC's de facto leaders, Saudi Arabia and Russia. Meanwhile, Public Invest asserts that Petronas is unlikely to reduce its capital expenditure as long as Brent oil prices stay above $60 per barrel. However, despite the decline in profits due to lower oil prices, the Petronas activity outlook for 2024 indicates an overall stability in activities. Meanwhile, oil prices settled slightly higher after a choppy trading session on Wednesday as investors worried about global trade disruption and tensions in the Middle East following attacks on ships by Yemen's Iran-aligned Houthi forces in the Red Sea. Brent crude futures settled up 0.6% to more than $79 a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude settled up 0.4% to $74 a barrel. Early in the session, the benchmarks rose by more than $1 as major maritime carriers chose to steer clear of the Red Sea route, with longer voyages increasing the transport and insurance costs. RHB Research has maintained its neutral position, citing a lack of catalysts in the automotive industry to sustain the sales momentum into 2024, as the industry is expected to see yet another record-breaking year for total industry volume (TIV). The research firm anticipates 625,000 TIV units for 2024, implying a 14% decline from its 2023 projection of 725,000 units. As such, it also expects a softer TIV for 2024 from the lack of compelling factors for auto sales to book another high. The auto and auto parts sectors, however, recorded another robust month in November with a TIV of 72,000 units sold. According to the Malaysian Automotive Association, this brings the year-to-date TIV to 719,000 units. Gold prices rose on Thursday, assisted by a softer dollar and lower treasury yields, as traders looked to the US economic data for more clues on the Federal Reserve's monetary policy outlook. Spot gold was up 0.4% at $2,033 per ounce, while US gold futures were steady at $2,048. According to Capital.com, benchmark US 10-year bond yields held near a 5-month low touch yesterday after British inflation plunged in November to its lowest rate in more than 2 years. The dollar was down 0.1% against its rivals, making gold less expensive for other currency holders. And that's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Adrian Seet. Thank you for investing your time with us and stay tuned to TV3.